Transform every drive with confidence. Introducing Vantrue S1 Pro Max with AI-powered safety. Advanced Driver Assistance System uses front-view camera images and Vantrue's self-developed AI algorithms to monitor road conditions in real time, providing forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian detection, and virtual bumper functions, ensuring comprehensive driving safety. Forward collision warning. When detecting collision risk with vehicles ahead, the system announces, "Close following. Please keep your distance," and displays warning icons on screen. Pedestrian detection. When pedestrians or cyclists are detected in your path, the system announces, "Pedestrian detected," and displays warning icons on screen. Virtual bumper. During low-speed driving, it monitors distance to vehicles ahead. If risk of collision is detected, the system announces, "Vehicle ahead is too close," and displays warning icons on screen. Lane departure warning. If the vehicle drifts out of lane, the system announces, "Lane departure detected," and displays warning icons on screen. Rear blind spot detection. It uses rear-view camera images and Vantrue's self-developed AI algorithms to monitor vehicle blind zones. When other vehicles enter the blind spot, the system triggers audiovisual warnings to assist drivers in preventing blind spot collisions. Building on this technology, the lane change assist function monitors rear-side vehicles during driving. If collision risks are detected during lane changes, you'll hear "Side vehicle detected," accompanied by screen alerts. For rear collision threats, the system audibly announces "Rear vehicle is too close," and displays warning icons.